And we go to the woods looking for the secret gator of the Forest Lakes community. Alright guys, so we're headed down to the river, to the lake, to test out our alligators.
What's up, everyone, and welcome to the Boys Toy Reviews, where we do reviews on the toys that you can get right down the road. Today we have an RC toy for you, a little remote control boat, but it serves as an alligator head. You can have a lot of fun with pranks with this thing, so I wanted to see how good it would work, but we did give it quite the run because the little pond we put it in had a lot of seaweed. We were still impressed.
No, that's too big.
Down over here, we got Mama's excited to see this too. Looking out for that gator. There's sharks here? In the man-made pond. I mean, it's like Sharknado. What do you guys think? I feel like y'all are following me through the Congo. Except we're in suburbia America and they just don't do the grass.
Well, we definitely got to show off some of the moves here. Really didn't have a fair shot down there in this stuff. A lot of algae and stuff. It was a little bit of flooding up on the side, so it kind of went over the top. So this thing actually had a lot of power to it. It was pretty impressive.
Nice. Don't get my foot, Gator. There you go. Should be good.
And just remember, this is by Venture Force. They always put out nice stuff. If you look at our Tiger Twister video that we have on YouTube, you'll see that's a great product. It's available at Walmart for under $25. Can't remember the exact price tag, but awesome prank thing. Cool little RC toy. Really, really, really neat things by Venture Force as always.
Yeah, I know.
Hey guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our next video, which will be a WWE Unbox Uncage Me mystery blind bag.